Hey students, good afternoon. I'm back again with the rule number 2. First one that we have done, that was rule number 1, and this is rule number 2. So what is the rule number 2? That is, if any sentence starts with only and the subject is living being, then for the transformation of sentence we have to use none but. Clear? Rule number 1, only if any sentence starts with only where the subject is the living being, then we have to start the sentence with none but when we are changing the sentence. This is the rule. Okay, the first line, this line, this is the rule up to which we have to analyze two examples. You can see the first example, only scientists can save us. Definitely, as we are suffering from, means in a time when we are in lockdown due to COVID-19 only, we are expecting for the scientists to discover the medicine for it. So this is quite I think it's a good example for this time. Okay, only scientists can save us. Now who is the subject here? Subject is scientist. If the subject is scientist, means this is living being. Okay, what we have to do, instead of only we have to write none but. Then we have to write the subject. Okay, none but, now subject. Then the rest of the portion. Rest of the portion means this portion. Rest of the portion means this portion. Can save us. None but scientists can save us. So this one is very easy. It's very clear and easy. If you can understand the rule that if only is there, then and the subject is living being, then we have to use none but, then the subject, then the rest of the portion. This is the pattern. In this way, we will solve the next one also. That is, only he can do it. Only he can do it. He is the subject. And here is written only. He, definitely once again living being, because I am only working on this living being. Okay, so according to the rules, what we will write first? None but. Okay, none but he can do it. None but he can do it. This is very easy. Okay, only memorize the rules. For this one, if the subject is this living being, then what we have to do? Now the point is, if subject is not the living being, then what will be? Definitely for this another rule is there. Only plus object or you can say thing. Okay, then it will be started with nothing but. Instead of none but, it will be starting with nothing but. An object or thing, the word thing itself is there, so it is starting with nothing but. For that, I am writing on sentence, that is, Sohini has only books. Okay. And the second sentence is, the boy is where the only is written, before books only is written. Here also before can only is written. Okay, so according to the rule, only is there, then we have to start with nothing but. Okay, then Shobhini has, then only is there. Now we will use nothing but, not at the beginning, because only is not only for that for the previous rule only was at the beginning, but now only is in the middle. So before only we will use the nothing but. So it's coming, Shohini has nothing but books. Shohini has nothing but books. Okay, instead of only we are writing nothing but. Then the rest of the portion is quite same. Now books here, this is an object, non-living things. That's why the rule is nothing but. The next one. Okay, for the next one we need another rule. Okay, so I am erasing the first portion. This is only, then number. Only, number or digit. Only after that, if number or digit is there, then the rule is not less than or. Accordingly, not more than. According to the meaning of the sentence, we have to choose whether I will write not less than or not more than. Only, so only will be replaced with nothing but, then only will be replaced by not less than or not more than, according to the meaning. So the sentence is coming, the boy, that is okay. Then the verb is coming is only 10. So according to the meaning, instead of only, not more than 10. Am I clear? Instead of only, I am writing not more than. Instead of only, I am writing not more than. Then the rest of the portion, and the first portion definitely we will not touch. We have to replace only according to its rules. This was rule number 2. Now we are coming to rule number 3. Rule number 3, if any sentence starts with must plus verb, then it will be replaced by cannot, but. Okay, if any sentence, I am giving you any sentence, there must is written and after that verb is there, then that must will be replaced by cannot but. Means we will not anymore use the word must in the for the sake of transformation. So rule number 1, we must do it. Okay, so this is the first example, we must do it. See here must is there, then after that do is also there. Okay, then number 2, we must eat. Then no object is there, only there is also must is there. After that the verb is there. So the rule is quite clear. This is rule number 3. So what I have to do, what I say, what I have written, must plus verb is there, then must will be, only must will be replaced by cannot but. We cannot but do it. We cannot but do it. Okay. Then the second one also in the same way we have to change the must. This is the better I circle it so that you can understand that this word verb and this must. So we cannot but eat. We cannot but eat means we cannot live without eating. Definitely we cannot live without eating. So this is rule number 3. I think this one is the easiest one. Okay, must plus verb, if in any sentence is written in this pattern, then must will be replaced only by cannot but, and the rest of the portion will be same as it is. Okay, then I am coming to the rule number 4. I said that today we will do up to only rule number 4. Every will be replaced by there is no, then I am leaving a gap, but. Okay, am I clear that the rules is every, there is no, then but it is written here. So what we have to do, this vacant portion, I am giving you one example. First example is everybody likes flower. First example is everybody likes flower. And okay, first do with this one. Everybody likes flower. I said every will be replaced like this. Every will be replaced like this within bracket. See, here is also every, here is also every. But body, I have not written here body, but here is body. So definitely here we have to use body. In case there is everyone, then here will be one. Every is common. If after every body is there, then there will be body. If one is there, then there will be one. Only for this only I have kept here a vacant place. So if we are changing it, it will be definitely everybody we have to do. There is nobody but like flowers. Okay, so see the understand the rules. Rule is every will be replaced by no, there is no, then there is a vacant, because I don't know after every there will be body or one or something else. Whatever will be there, we have to put it there. That's why there I have left a gap. After that, their but is common. So every there was body, so there is no. Then instead of the vacant place, I have taken the body from here to here. Then the rules, according to the rules, but will be there. Then likes flowers. Everybody, there is nobody but likes flowers. Clear? Then the number 2. Every mother loves her child. Okay, every mother loves her child. Sentence is quite easy sentence and rules also very easy. Now we have to transfer it according to the rules. Every, instead of every, there is no, see, here was body, now there is mother. So in the vacant place we have to write no mother but loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Now in rule number 4 there is one more thing, that is we can use that who does not, then you can say who has not, who does not have. These things are quite common but can be a little difficult, but if you practice regularly it will be very easy. So if I apply this sentence according to that, then there will be there is no mother who does not love her child. There is no mother who does not love her child. So in this way also we can transform the sentence. Who does not love, as does is there, here was love and here is, I have already used does. So definitely loves will not come here, here will be only love. Okay. So these are all the 4 rules that I wanted to discuss with you. Now go through the video again and again, and further instruction I will definitely give you. So I think this chapter we have finished today, the first chapter. I will give you some homework. See the video again and again, follow the rules. I'm again and again telling, if you follow the rules, then these things are very easy, not so hard. Okay, so if you follow the rules and do it, follow the rules and do it. If anywhere you are stuck, you cannot do it, then let me know. I will definitely make another video to make you understand further. Okay, thank you, all the best. Until then, stay safe. Don't forget to stay indoor. Okay, bye bye.